Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series, Vector Calculus, lecture number 12. So, today's topic is curl of a vector point function. Curl of a vector point function. So, in the earlier class we discussed about gradient and divergence. Now we will discuss about another concept, curl of a vector point function. Curl of a vector point function. Now definition, let f equals to f1i plus f2j plus f3k be a vector point function then curl of f is del cross f. Del cross f. It is denoted as curl f. Now this is a simple definition, curl of a vector point function. So, what is the definition? F is a vector point function in terms of x, y, z. F equals f1i plus f2j plus f3k. Then curl of f is del cross f. So, what is gradient? Gradient of phi is del phi. Divergence of f is del dot f. Now curl f is del cross f. Now try to understand, very simple. So we have three concepts, gradient, divergence and curl. Divergence means del phi, gradient means del phi, divergence means del dot f, curl f means del cross f. So what is our observation? Now simple observation. Now in first gradient general scalar multiplication. So G stands for first letter, G stands for general multiplication. Now here divergence, D stands for dot product. Now C stands for curl, cross product. C stands for cross product. So this is easy to understand. This is a simple technique. So divergence means del dot f, curl means del cross f. I will repeat again. First letter G general product, D dot product, C cross product. Okay. Now in this curl, a vector point function, let f equals f1i plus f2j plus f3k be a vector point function. Then curl of f is del cross f. It is denoted as curl f. Okay. Note. What is curl f? Curl f equals to del cross f. What is the cross product procedure? How to find the cross product? Determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3. If you find the determinant, you will get the curl of f. Now this is the simple working procedure for finding the curl of determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3. Now second note. Now first note for working procedure, del cross f. What is del cross f? I dou by dou x, del means I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z cross f. Now this is nothing but I cross dou f by dou x plus j cross dou f by dou y plus k cross dou f by dou z. Now simply it can be written as sigma I cross dou f by dou x. This notation is very useful for proving the next concept. We have vector identities. For proving the vector identities, we will use this notation, sigma I cross dou f by dou x. So I will repeat again. Curl f equals to del cross f. Now how to find del cross f? Simply find the determinant of I j k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3. Now this is the another notation for curl f. Curl f equals to del cross f, I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by z cross f. This is nothing but I cross dou f by dou x plus j cross dou f by dou y plus k cross dou f by dou z. Simply it can be written as sigma I cross dou f by dou x. Now we will discuss now problem. Example. If f equals to zi plus xj plus yk, then find curl f. Okay. Now this is a simple question. If f equals to vector point function, f equals to zi plus xj plus yk, then find curl f. How to find curl f? Curl f equals to I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z, formula f1, f2, f3. Okay. Then how to find the determinant? I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. Here ith quotient z, x, y. Now find the determinant. First I into dou by dou y of y, dou by dou y of y minus dou by dou z of x, dou by dou z of x minus j into dou by dou x of y, dou by dou x of y, k into dou by dou y of z plus k into dou by dou x of x, dou by dou x of x, dou by dou y of z. Now partial derivative, I into dou by dou y by dou y is 1 minus 0 into this derivative is 0, y derivative with respect to x is 0, z derivative, one minute, dou by dou x of y, dou by dou z, now this is dou by dou z, corrected, dou by dou z of z, dou by dou z of z is, first value is 0 minus 1 plus k into dou by dou x value is 1, dou z by dou y equals to 0. Simply I plus j plus k. What is this? Curl of f. So what is our observation? Very simple procedure. If f equals to zi plus xj plus yk, then find curl f. Curl f is nothing but find the determinant of I j k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3. Now just f1 is nothing but ith quotient, f2 is the quotient of j, f3 is the quotient of k, z, x, y. Now find the determinant I into dou by dou y. Now this one I will write in red color. This into this one. Dou by dou y, dou y by dou y minus dou z by dou x. This is the first term. Now second with respect to y. With respect to y, with now second term I. Second term j, dou by dou x of this term, this into this one, dou by dou x of y minus dou by dou z of z. Now in the similar way, k into dou by dou x of x, dou by dou x of x minus dou by dou y of z. Okay. After writing this expression, just find the partial derivative. With y with respect to y is 1, x with respect to z is 0. Here y with respect to x is 0, z with respect to z is 1, x with respect to x derivative with respect to x is 1, z derivative with respect to y is 0. Now simply 1 minus 0. So finally you will get I plus j plus k. Now what is the conclusion? What is the conclusion? What is the conclusion? Note. What is the conclusion? Curl of a vector point function is a vector. So earlier we discussed one point, gradient of a scalar point function is a vector, divergence of a vector point function is a scalar. Now here curl of a vector point function is a vector. Now this is a simple question. Now coming to another question, another example, example 2. Just only for understanding. Okay. If f equals to 2x z square into I minus yz into j plus 3x z cube into k, 3x z cube into k, then right, then find curl f at the point 1, 1, 1. Now solution. Okay. Curl f equals to determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Now coefficient of I, 2x z square minus yz, 3x z cube, 3x z cube. Now this, what is the value? Now simply this is coefficient of I, coefficient of j, coefficient of k. Now just find the determinant. I into dou by dou y of this term is 0. Here no y terms. Now dou by dou z of this one is minus y, minus j into dou by dou x of this one is 3x z cube. X derivative is 1, so this is not required. Minus dou by dou z of, now with this term, Z term is 4xz plus k into dou by dou x of this term is 0, dou by dou y of this term is 0. I will repeat again. Ith coefficient, dou by dou y of this term is 0, dou by dou z of this term is minus 5. Now minus j into dou by dou x is 3zq minus the z derivative with respect to z is 4xz minus 4xz. Now k into dou by dou x, this time here there is no x term here, dou by dou here there is no y term. Now finally yi minus j into 3zq minus 4xz. So kth coefficient is 0. Now at the point 1 1 1, what is curl f? Curl f equals to, put x equals to 1, y equals to 1, z equals to 1. Now this is I minus 1 into, here minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, into this value is 0. Okay. Now this is very simple question. Now in a similar way, we will discuss so now I will give homework question, then we will discuss another important question. In a similar way, homework questions, just homework. First question. If f equals to xy square I plus 2x square yzj minus 3yz square k minus 3yz square k, find curl f at the point 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 1. In the similar way, I will give one more question to you. If f equals to, same procedure, x y z square into I plus x y square z into j plus x square yz into k, find curl f at the point 1 2 3. So these two questions are homework for you. Now we will discuss most important question. If f equals to gradient of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z, then now this is I will take it as small f. I will take it as small f or capital F, then no problem. Then find sorry. Then find divergence of f and curl f. Okay. So you may take your small f or capital F, then no problem. I will take it as capital F. As you wish, then no problem. Okay. Now what is the solution? Listen carefully, this is most important question. This problem contains all the three concepts. Now observe. in this problem, first what is f? F equals to gradient of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. First, if you find the gradient, then you will get capital F. After finding the capital F, find the divergence of f and curl f. In the same problem, we will find gradient, divergence and also curl f. First, let phi equals to, assume the inside function x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now what is f? F equals to gradient of phi or del phi. What is del phi? I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. Now, what is the partial derivative with respect to x? I into partial derivative is 3x square minus 3yz. X cube derivative is 3x square. 3xyz derivative with respect to x is yz. In the similar way, with respect to y, 3y square minus 3xz plus k into 3z square minus 3xy. Now this is f. After finding the gradient, you will get f. Now how to find the divergence of f? Divergence. What is the divergence of f? Divergence of f is del dot f. Del dot f. What is del dot f? Dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Okay. Then how to find dou f1 by dou x? Dou by dou x of f1 is 3x square minus 3yz plus dou by dou y of 3y square minus 3xz plus dou by dou z of 3z square minus 3xy. Now how to find the partial derivatives? What about the partial derivative? This is divergence of f. Divergence of f is 6x. Here with respect to x is 0, second term is 0, third term is 6y, next term is 0, next term is 6z, next 0, finally 6 times of x plus y plus z. Now this is the divergence of f. Now curl f. Curl f equals to I j. Curl f is nothing but del cross f. Curl f is nothing but del cross f. I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. f1, f2, f3. Now what about the partial derivatives? Okay, I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. f1 is 3x square minus 3yz, 3y square minus 3xz, 3z square minus 3xy, which is taken from capital F. Capital F is I into 3x square minus 3yz plus j into 3y. This is f1. I will write it as, just for understanding. This is f1. This is f2. This is f3. So substitute all these values in this determinant, then find the determinant. I into dou by dou z of this one, z term is, sorry, dou by dou y of this term is minus 3x. Dou by dou z of this term is minus or minus plus 3x. minus j into dou by dou x term is minus 3y. Dou by dou z of this term is plus 3y plus k into dou by dou x of this one is minus 3z. Minus or minus plus again plus 3z. So finally you will get 0 bar. So curl equals to 0 bar. This is most important question. So in the same question we will find the gradient, divergence and curl. If you find the gradient you will get capital F. So after that apply divergence on F, you will get the divergence value 6 times of x plus y plus z. Then after that apply curl on F, curl F equals to this one, you will get 0 bar. So in the similar way I will give one homework question. Similar question, if F equals to gradient of 3x square yz cube, then find divergence of F and curl F at the point 1, 2, 1. This is homework for you. Okay. So in the next class we will discuss about most important question. If curl F is 0, then we will call it as the function F is irrotational. So now in the next class we will discuss about irrotational functions, and then we will discuss about the most important identities. Okay, thank you. Meet again.